Habit number 1, endless scrolling. Most people don't realize how much time they're losing. You open your phone for a minute, then another, then another. Before you know it, an hour is gone. The problem isn't just the lost time, it's the fact that you're training your brain to seek entertainment every few seconds. Day after day, your attention gets weaker, your focus disappears, and your goals slowly get pushed aside. That's how people waste months without even noticing. Habit number 2, making excuses. Every time life gets difficult, people look for a reason to avoid action. I'm tired. I'll start tomorrow. I don't have enough time. The excuse changes, but the result stays the same. Nothing happens. The truth is that your future doesn't care about your excuses. It only responds to what you do. The longer you keep explaining why you can't start, the longer you'll stay exactly where you are. Habit number 3, seeking comfort. Most people spend their lives choosing what's easy. Easy entertainment, easy decisions, easy distractions. But growth has never lived inside comfort. Every skill you've ever admired, every achievement you've ever respected, started with someone doing something difficult. The moment you stop running from discomfort and start facing challenges, you separate yourself from the people who never grow. Habit number 4, comparing yourself. Every day you see someone smarter, stronger, richer, or more successful. And instead of improving themselves, most people spend their time comparing their lives to everyone else's. The problem is that comparison steals your attention from the one thing that actually matters, your own progress. While you're busy watching someone else's journey, you're ignoring your own. Real improvement begins when you stop competing with strangers and start competing with the person you were yesterday. Habit number 5, doing nothing. This is the habit that causes the most damage. You know what you need to do. You know what needs to change. But you keep waiting. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for confidence. Waiting for the perfect moment. But that moment never arrives. The people who improve aren't the people who feel ready. They're the people who take action before they feel ready. That's what separates progress from regret. If you've seen even one of these habits in your own life, that's a good thing, because you can't change what you refuse to see. Every day you repeat a habit, you're casting a vote for the person you'll become. So the question is simple. Are these habits building your future,